How to use Microsoft Authenticator application. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your web browser or any Play Store. Now simply at the bottom right corner, tap on the search icon. Now tap on the search bar and type Microsoft Authenticator. Now click on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the Microsoft Authenticator application. Now simply tap on install, and if already installed, simply tap on update if any available. After updating, click on open. Now you will be redirected to the sign in page. Now enter your account and simply tap on next. Now wait for some time. Now select user password, enter your password and click on sign in. Now after signing in, simply tap on the plus icon on the screen. Now enter the code for setting up Microsoft Authenticator for other application verifications. Now verify the code and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.